Hey you guys, it's me, Tiff the Gift, and I'm back with another Watch Me Slay video. So today I'll be showing you how I install this platinum blonde wig. This platinum blonde wig is from my collection. You could go to giftedwigs.com and place your orders for this specific wig. The specs on this wig, this is a 22-inch lace front platinum blonde wig unit. And again, you can order this wig online. So off camera, I did braid my client's hair down like I do in most of my videos. If you want to see the process of me braiding and applying the stocking cap, you can go to my previous videos. And I'm sure I have a video showing you how I do that. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'll pop in and out when needed. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment. see me tackling this ear area for about a minute or less. But it took a long time because I did not want her ear to rub against the lace, so I had to cut a little bit more on this side. Sometimes you have to cut more on one side than the other. It's not because the wig is lopsided or anything. It's just sometimes when you apply the wig to actual head, it does, one side can be shorter and longer depending on the client's head shape. So that's what you see me doing here. And you also see me right here adding some glue to her front of her lace, the part that did not get glued down. So I like to do that also because it's an easy cleanup. So you guys just continue watching the video and I'll be back. So I'm back and I just wanted to address some things that I'm pretty sure a few people want to know. My wigs are top quality, and when I say that, it's not just because it's my company. It's because I really did put a lot of work in finding a vendor that is perfect, and the hair doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle, doesn't get really dry. Like, it's very natural for blonde 613 or platinum blonde hair to get really dry, and this hair does not do that. Like, it's perfect. As soon as you put water on it and wash it, you can see the quality of the hair. Because I know for me, when I put water on 613 hair, from the wigs that I've had or purchased to try out, they shrivel up and get really dry. You got to put a bunch of conditioner in it. But anyways, my point is that my wigs are very, really, very, very great. And the quality is top quality. And it's very affordable. You know, I could easily sell these wigs for thousands and thousands of dollars, since I pay a lot for my wigs. But for you guys, I really want you guys to experience good quality hair, and to me, why not pay a little bit more for quality? So I hope you guys enjoy my channel. I hope you guys, see this video. It makes you want to make a purchase. And even if you don't want to make a purchase, just enjoy the video, like, subscribe, share it to some people that you might think will want to see this, and continue watching. Thank you. So we are all done, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the final look at the very end. But you guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And also, again, these wigs are for sale. Please go on my website, giftedwigs.com, and place your orders. You could, if you need a promo code, I'll leave one down below for 15% off. Have a good day. Bye.